How to build stunning non-discount email campaigns step by step in the next 5 minutes. So, how we transformed the farmer's dog email from generic to irresistible and actually removed the discount. So, you can see before and you can see after here. So, what's the challenge here? Most brands lean on discounts heavily to get clicks and to get conversions. But constant discounting can eat away at your profit margins and make your brand feel cheap. Here's the cycle that I see all the time in e-commerce. So a brand says they don't want to run discounts all the time. Cash ends up getting tight. A brand runs a discount to get quick sales and quick cash. It ends up working like usual. Time between discounts gets shorter and shorter. Now they're running a discount every 2 weeks, and now customers are trained to never pay full price. So what happens is margins vanish and scaling becomes impossible. It's like chasing cheap dopamine. It feels good in the moment, but you end up paying for it later. Real growth comes from building good habits and brand value, not quick sugar hits. So the before email, here is the before email from the farmer's dog. Start fresh this summer with healthy pre-portioned food for easy weight management. Their CTAs get 60% off. Quick infographic there. So what's working here? The message about healthy food is very, very solid. It's very professional, very serious tone, and the benefit-driven copy is definitely there. The images are also very high quality and positioned well. So what's not working here? It's a very generic design. It could look like any other pet food brand. There's nothing really other than the logo that screams this is for the farmer's dog. This text block in the middle is an absolute killer. Nobody is reading that wall of text. The font is way too small on top of that, and it's hard to read on desktop, and it's likely worse on mobile. They bury decent copy in here, but they bury it so deep in the email that the customers never see it, right? Additionally, headlines like the benefits of healthy weight or start fresh this summer and with healthy pre-portioned food for easy weight management are, well, pretty boring. So finding the idea here. So I started with one simple thought: lead with emotion and lifestyle, not discounts. So the headline that we landed on here was keep your dog lean, mean, and zoomy machine. Why? Well, I'm a dog person and every dog owner knows the word zoomies, right? It's universal, it's fun, it makes you smile, and it ties perfectly to the real benefit: a lean, healthy dog with energy to spare. From there, we put together a simple structure. So we have the fun hook up top with the zoomies. We then want to do some sort of serious benefit in the subheadline that relates back to the pre-portioned food. We want to have multiple clear CTAs, big buttons. We want to follow with the benefits, so like living longer, healthier, and saving on vet bills. We also want to bring in the ingredients here, like maybe you'd eat this too. So this can make it superhuman and relatable. So here is the after email. Keep your dog lean, mean, and zoomy machine. Our food is perfectly portioned to help your dog thrive. Build my dog's plan, big button. The perks of a healthy pup. Some benefits here: more years, more woofs. Happy hips, happy life, slim dog, fat wallet. So very non-boring subheadlines and headlines here. Another CTA, ingredients that you'd eat too. A little bit of like a split picture there between real food and the actual dog food. We have what's in it, the meat options and the vegetables, and then again a CTA at the bottom. So let's break this down really quickly. The hero block. There's a big headline: keep your dog lean, mean, and zoomy machine. Automatically hooks people. A short trust line about the pre-portioned food right here. Our food is perfectly portioned to help your dog thrive. A big, bright CTA right here: build my dog's plan. And a big image of a happy dog with carrots. So a healthy dog right there. Why this works: it hooks emotion fast. It says the benefit in plain words. It shows action and gives a clear button above the fold. So this is a great section. It's essentially the bags of food peeking in right here. It makes it feel real and not stock, and also allows for a smooth transition between sections. Really quickly, my name is Nolan. I'm the co-founder of Emails for Good. We're the only email and SMS marketing agency for CPG, replenishment, and subscription brand. Now onto the perks of a healthy pup row right here. So 3 short blurbs with icons and a simple vertical line right here. Why does this work? It's ultra skimmable and it hits on multiple benefits very quickly, right? Longer life, happier joints, and fewer vet costs. Again, we put another CTA here because if they're ready to go, let's get them back on the website and let's build their dog's plan. Ingredients that you'd eat too. Why does this work? It shows quality at a glance and it builds trust instantly without a wall of text. The meat options right here: beef, turkey, pork, chicken, and liver. Why this works? Well, they look like mini buttons on top of just having a good aesthetic. So it answers what's in it in literally 2 seconds, and it taps into curiosity and also gets clicks. The vegetable one right here, it works the same way as the one above. It's in-your-face proof, and there's no scrolling here for answers. And another final CTA here: build my dog's plan. You catch the buyers at the bottom, and again, no discount needed there. So what design rules were used here? Well, one column, mobile first, big text, and high contrast here within the colors. Short lines here, no paragraph walls, no text blocks. Big can't miss buttons. Repeated CTA, so there's always a way to act. Real images that actually make you feel something, bring out some emotion. Smooth transitions between the sections. Final lessons here, the key takeaways: don't default to discounts, tell a better story instead. Always tie back to emotional and functional benefits. Structure matters here, right? Hook, lead into benefits, show some proof, and then call to action, and then repeat this entire thing here. Copy should sound like the brand's voice, not a generic sales script. And finally, even small design upgrades like less text, cleaner sections, better hierarchy, and more visuals can multiply the impact of your email. Basically, if you can sell without discounts, you protect your margins and build true customer loyalty. And every brand should run at least one no discount but irresistible campaign every single week.